Hello everyone, myself Nikita Upadhyay. I am an interior design student from Rajasthan basically. So before joining this software training classes, I have just completed my internship in interiors only. So I just came to know that I should learn the rest of the softwares in interiors which would help me in future and in job too. So I came here and get to know software training classes in Andheri only, and I also stay in Andheri, so which helped me a lot to continue my classes over here. I would like to thank Shraddha ma'am and Anirudh sir who have taught me, who have given me all the options that all these softwares are included in this coaching too. So Nikita, you can also go with all these softwares also. Actually, I came only for just one software, but Shraddha ma'am told me that Nikita, you should also proceed with all the rest of the software which she have introduced me. And secondly, I have learned here 4 softwares. One is AutoCAD 2D, second one is SketchUp 3D modeling, third one is 3ds Max along with its V-Ray, and fourth one is Photoshop. So Shraddha ma'am introduced me with my mentor, which is Anirudh sir. He is so calm and he so excellently taught me all the softwares. Actually, I had fear of 3ds Max, but learning from Anirudh sir was a great experience. And in the middle of the sessions, he used to motivate all the students that you all can do it. If all can do it, why you can't? So basically, it changed the psychology of the student that no software is too difficult to learn. So that helped me a lot in my growth and all and everything. And now I can proudly say, yes, I can do 3ds Max software too, and all the softwares, not only that. And last but not the least, I would also like to thank Miss Poonam ma'am, who is the head of this all software training. She introduced us another online platform, which is Canva. So actually I have attended a Canva software which she only taught all the students. So it was very good experience from her, and from that Canva I made my whole portfolio from learning and exploring more. So just thank you all the 3.